3424 White Mission. This is a corner lot, and there's also additional parking right here. Overall, I felt pretty okay with the neighborhood. There's just little things like the first house that you see as you drive into the community is actually the roughest house I've seen in the community, so that's just an unfortunate coincidence. But we have 3 windows here at the front of the house that should get 2.5-inch forward blinds, get the verticals removed. We have an alarm system here. We have non-matching handles, so it looks like this door has been patched before. Not sure if it's able to be salvaged or we just want to replace it, but the front door is an important first impression. The paint's all right. There are definitely areas that look rough. Like we have these dots here and this line. We need 2 blinds right here. And then we have a little rough area here where it looks like there may have been some sort of water damage maybe. It might not have been water damage, I don't want to scare you, but that area needs to be cleaned up. We need to fix the rollers on the slider, which is something that most properties need, so nothing unusual there. But the amount of paint that needs to be touched up really depends on the property manager. Yeah, I'll do that later. So we have this sort of older style cabinets for under the stairs. You could use a paint job in there perhaps. You can see a little area next to it. It needs some patchwork. But overall, this house actually doesn't feel like it needs a ton of work. So we also have these beautiful countertops. This is one of those older style box lighting systems. The actual, this here is cracked and dirty and it's not worth replacing. So we would consider possibly taking this out and putting some recessed lighting in, or one of those bars that has the potted lights or something normal. And also because this comes down from the ceiling, maybe 6-7 inches, it makes the room feel much smaller. So a small improvement for not too much of an investment. We do have stainless steel appliances in here, and one of them is a space saver microwave, which is great. We don't have an undermount sink, and it might not make sense to put one in at this point, but we would probably want a gooseneck faucet. I could not get the garage door open for the life of me. I tried for like 2 minutes and I just can't get it open, so. Also want to remove cords like these cables here. Let's head upstairs. Carpet looks okay. I mean, little things like this. Of course, this is a lived-in house. You're gonna find that. This isn't a model home. Little stains here and there, but overall, I think we, of course, need the property manager's opinion. I'm just saying from what I see, I don't see anything that's unusable. $150 to replace this with something that looks much better and is more modern. We need to get a paper arch fan or something for about $50 there. Paint overall looks fine, carpet looks fine. We do have a smoke detector, not sure if it's working. So a lot of these handles have some wear that's just making it look a little older. It might be worth replacing all of these handles with something new. Caulking might be nice, give it a fresher feel. I don't know if janitorial can get out the stains. They may be able to. They do have a shower rod. We'll get the property manager's opinion on if it's good enough to stay. I'm not seeing a lot of spots on the wall that look bad, so may just need to touch up in some areas. I feel like that's an efficient use of space. I think that's actual stained glass. That is not an expert opinion, that's a guess. So one thing I will mention is it looks like there's been some touch up on the ceiling. So this ceiling may need to be repainted. It stands out a lot. Then we have a wardrobe closet over here. It's a nice addition. Tile, which is fantastic. It's not vinyl. Cabinets are showing some wear, so possibly repaint. That light fixture looks pretty old. It's, you know, actually, it'd be a really quick, easy change to change these out with something new. Huh, there's a little window there. The paint in this room looks a little rougher. I don't know if you can see the patches. Looks like they may have just sprayed the bathtub. That's nice. Okay, that's the property. We already have towel bars. We have the same thing going on with these handles here.